This bike,
Yeah.
this is a 96 model.
96.
Yeah, 96.
Wow. So almost.
This was the first year which the Yamaha came out with 135cc.
I see.
The first was a Yamaha 100 which came out in 86.
I see.
When demand increased, they came out with the 135cc.
Pretty big hit.
Yeah,
A lot of people.
there are so many bikes in the market now, but still when we go out on this, people keep asking, you want to sell it or, you know,
What does this say? 130cc?
135.
135cc. Nice. How often do you have to tune?
Depends, if you want mileage, there's a separate tuning, and if you want more pickup, there's a different setting. There are various things where you can add on and subtract, make the bike lighter.
How much do you put in? How much money do you spend on this every month?
Just for the oil and petrol, otherwise minor things you just have to keep changing.
You do repairs yourself?
Yes. Even the painting I've done. Now next thing coming up is the clutch.
Painting the black paint? The black paint?
Yeah, I'm planning a color scheme for the tank and the side. Because my painter, you know, needs, you tell him the color, he'll make the color and keep it.
You put regular paint?
Yeah. Automotive paint. Nowadays you can get custom colors. Like if you want you mix blue and black, you get a purplish. Then you can mix, you know, flakes of metal, either gold or silver. It's a vast thing. For now, I've just put the black basic.
So what do you do to the engine?
For the engine, I've just changed the port because it was an old one. Otherwise, the metal things don't need to be changed.
What was old?
The rubber ports.
What do they do?
That's the intake manifold for the fuel, air.
So you get better mileage?
Yes. The smoother the ports, so the air and fuel can go in easier, you get better mileage and better pickup.
So how much mileage do you see?
On this I've got maximum is like 39, 38. Because it's a two-stroke.
How much was it before?
Before it was giving around 30. Because in city you don't need pickup here. There's so much of traffic. You don't need pickup. Yeah, if you're going for a long ride, then it's okay.
This needs to be kicked, right? Kick-started?
Yeah, kickstart.
The new ones are like automatic.
Yes. But there are no new models in this. That's why there's so much of demand. Did you meet Chandu, who was staying with us before?
Right.
He had bought this. And this guy turned out to be a friend who I knew in 96, college days.
guy who sold it.
He sold it. So Chandu was like, I'll buy it, and he bought it. But he was very shaky, could not ride properly. He got used to the scooter. I started working on Javas, Lambrettas.
How did you learn to fix it?
There was an uncle beside our place. He had a shop. So during holidays and stuff, I used to take my cycle there. Then I got interested in bikes.
So helmet is not required by law?
It is.
You don't use it?
Sometimes. If you're going long, then
In the city,
in the city, it's like just to go to A to B is like, and now with the summer,